Do you know that the way you eat decides the state of your mind? Someone once asked Adi Shankaracharya, "What is the right art of eating?" Shankara replied, "Eating is not just filling the body. Food is consciousness appearing as nourishment. The eater is consciousness receiving it. If you eat in hurry, the mind becomes restless. If you eat with awareness, the mind becomes clear. Eat only when there is real hunger. Do not eat because of habit or boredom. Eat what supports clarity, not excitement. While eating, remain silent inside. Do not eat with anger, talking, or distraction. The state of the mind enters the food, and the food shapes the mind. As the body is formed by food, so awareness is refined by the way you eat. When eating becomes conscious, even a simple meal becomes a step toward freedom.